was a beautiful, bright morning of the island of Sodor. Thomas the tank engine, who was happily chuffing towards Knapford Station when he saw a familiar jester girl idling at the platform. Thomas came to stop and say hello. "Hello, I'm Thomas. It seems you have an important visitor around here. Not in a few seconds ago," said Thomas. "What is your name?" The jester girl was confused. She wasn't expected to be as an important visitor, but she has a memory problem, and she said, "Oh my God, I can't remember my name." Thomas was really puzzled that a young jester girl didn't remember her name, either with her own flashbacks. He looking at the jester girl who was being anxiety, and he said, "You don't have a name?" Poor young jester girl didn't know what to do or what to say. Then Thomas had an idea. "What about that I give you a name?" asked Thomas. A little jester girl looked at Thomas. Thomas started to think about the name. "What about that I called you Lily?" quizzed Thomas. No, my name is not Lily," replied a jester girl. Alicia?" asked Thomas again. No matter how Thomas tries, but he gave up. "Well," said exhausted Thomas, "it can't be helped. Did you have own name?" "Well, Thomas, I'm sorry. My name is, But before the little jester girl could give her a name, Sir Topham Hatt appears out from his office. "Thomas, what are you doing here, and who is talking to you?" said Sir Topham Hatt sternly. Thomas was shocked to see Sir Topham Hatt. "Oh, sir, I was talking to—" Thomas trailed off. See, that jester girl wasn't there. Jester girl. But where did she go?